Good morning, this is Larry Chenard with Phillips Auto Group of Bradley. We're over here on the Hyundai side, and one of the things I wanted to go over with you today is convenience. This is the 2017 Hyundai Santa Fe with the Ultimate Package, and one of the nice features that it has is memory seats. It's the most simple thing in the world to do. In a lot of households, there's one person is tall, one person is short, or just likes to have their seat in a different angle. And it's extremely simple. All you do is you come in and into the vehicle, you adjust your seat where it's comfortable for you, whether it be up, down, sideways, or whichever way you want to do it. And when you get it right to where you want it, you hit this button that says set. Hold that button down until it beeps twice, which it did, and you'll see on your info screen that your seat's set. So let's say, for example, that we have the seat way forward. You go to get into the car, press the button, and it goes right back to where you wanted it. How convenient is that? Once again, this is Larry Chenard from the Phillips Auto Group. Have a wonderful day.